Hey y'all, this is Cindy. Today we're going to make a simple and delicious bread recipe. Now we love the taste of fresh baked bread, but who has time to make bread? Fortunately, this recipe only takes about 5 minutes prep and then about 45 to 50 minutes to cook. So let's get started. What I love about this recipe is it only uses 3 ingredients. It calls for 3 cups of self-rising flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, we use stevia, and a bottle of beer. Where's my bottle of beer? Brandon, did you take my beer? Thank you. Now you can use any kind of beer, but we have found that the darker beer has a better flavor to the bread. I'm going to open the beer using a hand-forged bottle opener, which I'm sure Brandon will show you how to make at some point. First, we're going to add the flour. Then we'll add the sugar. And then we'll add our beer. Now you need to pour it slowly because Guinness is very foamy. Once all ingredients have been added, then you need to mix them all up completely. We've got just a little bit more to mix. Now that everything is thoroughly mixed, you're going to want to knead it for about 5 or 10 minutes on a floured surface. I'm kneading the dough for 5 minutes. I went ahead and set a timer so that I make sure that I do it the full time. As I'm kneading, I'll periodically add more flour just to keep the dough elastic. After kneading for 5 minutes, this is perfect. So I'm going to add this to a greased loaf pan. And then just put it in my oven on 350. And I'm going to set my timer for 45 minutes so I can check it at that point. After the bread's been in the oven for 45 minutes, you're going to want to check it. Just insert a toothpick or something into it to make sure that it's done. I'm using a chopstick. If it comes out clean, your bread is done. If it still has dough stuck to it, then you need to put it back in the oven for a few minutes. If your bread's done, you can lay it out on your cooling rack to let it cool. Don't let it cool too long because nothing beats fresh baked bread. Now the crust is a little crunchy on this bread. It's as simple as that. And now you've got a good thick bread that tastes delicious by itself or with a soup or a meal.
If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.